Namaskar, dear friends. How are you today? From 40 years of real work in factories, leading, training, mentoring, coaching, and solving problems on the shop floor, as well as the top floor, I created two simple assessments to support people. You keep the factory running every day, quietly fixing problems, often without recognition. doHow Readiness assessment helps you see your strengths and small habit gaps in planning, doing, and self-control. So work becomes calm, predictable, and satisfying as the new normal. Visit dinakarmurthy.com/readiness. Your company also needs less firefighting. The doHow Chakra assessment shows how to build clear systems, fair reviews, and study results, reducing stress and sacrifices by strengthening the chakras or flows for sustainable growth. Visit businessdohow.com/chakra. Take the first step. Your future self will surely thank you.